Welcome to the Power Team Certified Rollout. This is Beyond Books or DVDs. You're watching this video because you're interested in rolling out Power Team Certified to select BNI chapters or an entire BNI region. I'd like to just take a moment to say thank you. Thank you very much for your interest in Power Team Certified. I'm hoping that we'll be able to work together as success partners to build bigger and stronger BNI chapters, as well as grow your BNI region. As your success partner, we'll be working directly with your education coordinators. Power Team Certified includes 16 2 to 5 minute education coordinator presentations for the BNI chapter. In addition, Power Team Certified includes 4 10 to 20 minute presentations for the BNI Director Consultant. We'll also be working directly with the Chapter Growth Coordinator. Now, for the first time, the Chapter Growth Coordinator has a structured, easy-to-follow Power Team program to increase referrals, convert more visitors, and improve retention. Let's take a look at some of the specific elements that were designed to maximize the Power Team performance within the context of a BNI chapter, beginning with the 4 stages of Power Team development. Now we have realistic levels of networking activity for the entire chapter. In other words, we understand the 80-20 rule. The 4 stages of Power Team development utilizes the 80-20 rule for maximum advantage to all the members in the BNI chapter. From the beginning of Power Team Certified, the Power Teams are trained to understand the importance and value of operating within the context of a BNI chapter. In other words, we do not want the Power Teams to become elite and exclusionary. We're training the Power Teams to be leaders by example and generating an abundance of referrals for the entire chapter. Power Team Certified introduces 10 levels of proactive referral creation strategies, which we call systematic visibility. Now, for the first time, there's a step-by-step process that takes the guesswork out of referrals. As I mentioned earlier, Power Teams are trained to make all of the BNI members with relevant products or services systematically visible to create an abundance of consumer value and, as a result, referrals for everyone, not just the Power Team. Let's face it, more referrals equals greater retention. More referrals equals greater visitor conversion. Bottom line, more referrals equals bigger and better BNI chapters. A key point is that Power Team Certified is only available to BNI chapters as a group. As a professional business consultant, I know the value of teamwork. And statistics are showing that Power Team Certified works best when the Power Teams operate within the context of a BNI chapter that's supported by the education coordinator, the growth coordinator, and the integrated efforts of the local BNI directors. I'd like to begin the introduction of Power Team Certified to the national or executive director of the BNI region. I typically will do a 90-minute interactive go-to-meeting with the national or executive director to introduce the Power Team Certified program. We'll go over the specifics of how the chapter members are given a step-by-step process to take the guesswork out of generating referrals, and we'll also talk about a very exciting program that drives new members to the BNI chapters that are participating in the Power Team Certified program. So I'll do a 90-minute interactive go-to-meeting to introduce the Power Team Certified program to the national or executive director, and then with their approval, we move on and do the same presentation for the regional and area directors. Again, I am doing an interactive go-to-meeting to outline how the program works and to answer questions. Once we've completed the 90-minute webinar, the regional and area directors will now build on the foundation of the national and executive director's support and go to the individual chapters for a 100% buy-in of the Power Team Certified program. In other words, we're looking for the chapters to raise their hand and say, yes, we're serious about building our business with word-of-mouth referrals, and we're ready to get started with our power teams. At that point, when the chapter has a 100% buy-in, they qualify to participate in a live Power Team Bootcamp Intensive. The Bootcamp Intensive is a live event that's targeted to the local business people in the community. People are invited by asking them, would you like to build your business with more word-of-mouth referrals? Would you like to make more money with Power Team Networking? So clearly we're playing the music they are looking for on radio station WIIFM, What's in It for Me? We tell them to come to the live Bootcamp Intensive, and we will show you how to create money-making referrals. Participants at the Bootcamp Intensive get very excited when they see themselves creating referrals with the easy-to-duplicate levels of systematic visibility. There's an ongoing theme at the Bootcamp that ultimately you'll need a network of one person per profession to maximize your Power Team results. At the end of the Bootcamp, when excitement is the greatest, we say that there's an organization here in the local community called BNI. In fact, rosters of the local BNI chapters are already in your information packet. If you see a BNI chapter with an opening for your business category, we recommend you visit their next meeting and submit an application before the meeting starts to lock out your competition. So the idea is we're creating these live public events. All of the chapters that are participating in Power Team Certified are going to be promoting the one regional event, and then we create excitement and drive traffic of qualified potential members to your local BNI chapters. I'm going to give you a couple of visual representations of what this looks like, beginning with the funnel. So at the top we have the business community at large who are candidates for BNI. We promote the live boot camp at various events, International Networking Week, regional conferences, visitor days, mixers. This is the chapter and the assistant and executive directors all working together to promote the public event. And that's the Power Team T, Power Team the Easy Approach. This is the public event that we've invited people to. At the event, we get them interested and excited with Power Team Certified. They see themselves creating referrals, and now they just need a business power team. That's where we introduce the local BNI chapters, we pass the rosters, and we start driving traffic to your BNI chapters. So let's take another look at the rollout plan. We're going to be paying homage to the phrase "members make more money," coined by Tom Fleming of Tampa, Florida. And the idea is that we agree members making more money drives all of the other results that we're looking for. So to summarize, we're going to be featuring lesson plan trainings after BNI meetings if that's appropriate in your region. And we're going to be promoting the half-day Power Team T Bootcamp Intensive live training. Now, a half day might not be the appropriate time frame for your particular location. We'll customize the program based on what's appropriate for your local community. Phase 1 of the plan is that 90-minute webinar with the national director or executive or regional directors. Here I'm helping the top level of leadership discover the Power Team Certified Advantage. Then we move to Phase 2, which is the same presentation, but now done with the endorsement of the top leadership, and now we're working with the regional leaders to help them discover the Power Team Certified Advantage. At that point, the regional and local leaders go to the chapters for the 100% buy-in. And now everyone is promoting in phase 4 the live bootcamp intensive, and that's where we're going to be driving the volume of new members to your BNI chapters. Finally, the last way to look at this is the 4M slogan, members making more money, the one-time introduction, then the buy-in on the chapter level, marketing the event to the public. We have the live event. The attendees are directed to the local BNI chapters. From there, the Power Team Certified program already in motion attracts them, gives them a feeling of comfort that this is what they came for. They're connecting and they're seeing the value, and they're going to be joining the BNI chapters. The good news is this is an ongoing, duplicatable process. We have the one-time introduction, and then the live bootcamp intensive can be repeated as appropriate for your region. So here's a quick look at some of the training and support that comes with Power Team Certified. The training program is delivered on audio and visual DVDs. It includes the Money on the Table ebook, the 16 lesson plans in the Power Team Roadmap workbook. Power Team Certified for BNI also includes 16 2 to 5 minute education coordinator presentations, as well as 4 10 to 20 minute BNI Director Consultant support presentations, and there's a complete Train the Trainer program for those education coordinator and BNI Director Consultant support slots. In addition, I do an ongoing series of free coaching webinars, and we can work together to make sure that I'm available to help your BNI region implement the Power Team Certified program. This is an easy to duplicate system with step-by-step lesson plans and recorded training webinars. We make it a point from the very beginning of the program to have structured inclusion for all members in a BNI chapter to work as a team on the 10 levels of systematic visibility for referral generation. And finally, this is a flexible, self-paced program that the go-getters in your chapter, we all know the 80-20 rule, those 20% go-getters can get going as quickly as they'd like and start bragging now to create referrals for the group. So where do you go from here? If I have anything to say about it, the only money you'll be leaving on the table is a generous tip for excellent service. Again, for more information, contact me directly. My email is on the screen. It's Abe, A-B-E, at moneyonthetablebook.com. You can also visit the website, moneyonthetablebook.com, for additional tools and resources. That completes this introductory video on the Power Team Certified Rollout Program. Thank you very much for your participation. I hope to be networking with you sometime soon.